Good day everyone. Welcome back to Digital Guides TV. In this video we will talk about smartphone price in the Philippines. Let us begin with the 3 Infinix brand. The first model that we're going to discuss is the Infinix Hot 20 Play. This is one of the cheapest smartphones in the market. However, with its specifications and performance, you won't suspect it is a budget phone. Infinix Hot 20 Play was released in October of 2022 with a full model name Hot 20 Play 4GB 𝗧𝗛𝗛𝗡𝗏. This smartphone is powered by octa-core processor, MediaTek MT6765 Helio G37, best as entry gaming smartphone. Infinix Hot 20 Play comes with 13-megapixel autofocus plus 𝗧𝗛𝗛𝗡𝗏 camera. It has 6.82 inches IPS LCD display with screen resolution of 720 by 1640 pixels, wide enough to display large images and video play. It runs on Android 12 operating system. The battery is also the best because of its 6000 mAh lithium polymer fast charging battery. If you love photography and videography, the storage can handle large files from 64GB up to 128GB ROM and has a memory of 4GB RAM. It can connect to 2G, 3G, and 4G band network. If you are looking for a budget phone that can do what you want, this phone is best for you. For only 6,100 pesos, you can do much on this phone. Before we go on, if you enjoyed this video, let me know by hitting the like button below. Now, let's go to number 2, Infinix Note 12i. Infinix Note 12i is among the smartest phones that fits your budget. For less than 10,000 pesos, you can enjoy the benefits of this budget phone. Let us begin with its release date. This smartphone was also released in October of 2022. Powered by octa-core processor and MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, you can do a lot with this phone. For photography enthusiasts, the 50-megapixel plus 2-megapixel and 𝗧𝗛𝗛𝗡𝗏 back camera will definitely help you in your passion. And if you love to do selfie, the 8MP front camera is also best for you. It comes with 6.82 inches AMOLED display of Full HD plus resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. Runs in Android 12, ensures you that it has the latest operating system. It can connect to 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G band network. The 5000 mAh battery will allow you to use your phone for a longer period without interfering what you do. Its variety comes with the 64 or 128GB built-in storage and 4 or 6GB RAM. For only 7,050 pesos, you can take home all of these features. Our top 3 budget smartphone with Infinix brand is coming up. I know you really enjoyed watching this video, but if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please smash the subscribe button below and also hit the bell notification so you won't miss our next update. Also give me a thumbs up so YouTube will know you like this video. If you have comments to share, leave it in the comment section. Number 3, Infinix Note 12 5G. Infinix Note 12 5G is another member of the smartest phones that fits your budget. For less than 10,000 pesos, again, you can enjoy the benefits of this budget phone. Infinix Note 12 5G is released on November of 2022. For a price of less than 10,000, you can enjoy the most of this budget phone. This smartphone is powered by octa-core processor and MediaTek Helio G95 chipset. This could be the best among other budget phones in the market. Note 12 5G really loves you. If you do videography or photography, this phone is best for you. It comes with 108MP plus 8MP plus 2MP, autofocus back camera with LED flash and 16MP selfie camera. This phone is best for content creators and gamers because of its high performance. For connectivity, it can connect to 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G band network. Its display is 6.5 inches AMOLED display capacitive touchscreen with 16 meters colors and multi-touch. The screen resolution is 1080 by 2400 pixels. It runs in Android 12. This ensures you have the latest supported operating system for Android phones with internal memory capacity of 128GB and 8GB RAM plus microSD dedicated slot. With high capacity battery of 5000 mAh, you can play game to the max. It has dual standby SIM slots for nano SIM cards. For only 7,990 pesos, you can enjoy the best budget phones in the market with superior specifications. That's all for now. See you next time.